You say, Jason, what about quality? I've heard that, only junk and crap is what they sell on Amazon, that it's these little trinkets and stuff. It's not true, but whatever, right? Here's how you handle the quality thing. Order multiple samples, and not of just the product that you want to sell. All kinds of different products that this manufacturer makes, because that will give you a good example across the board. It's like going to a restaurant and only tasting one meal and then determining how good all meals are. We want to try multiple meals, even if we only want to sell one of them. Then we can see the consistency from the manufacturer. Once you get these, use them like a power user. Put them through the stress tests. Let the kids try to tear them apart. Throw them around. Beat them up. Really get in there and start to use them hard, right? If you wish to, and for larger orders we recommend this, have a third-party service do a quality inspection. So in China, it's $180 for the company that we use to go out there and prepare a 16-page report where they look at everything from top to bottom. But for the most part, when you're getting started, when you're placing orders of $300, $500, $700, it's really simple. You look at the product and you say, okay, is this good? Does it fall apart right away or does it hold up? Okay, great, let's start selling it. Remember this, quality is relative to price. And I can prove it to you simply and elegantly. Here's a Casio men's digital watch, sells on Amazon for $12. Here's a Rolex watch, sells on Amazon for $59,000. Compare the two. The Casio watch has 4.5 stars. The Rolex has 4 stars. Are you telling me the Casio watch is a better quality than the Rolex? No, but it's a better quality relative to the price. Here's what we teach all of our people in our community. Slightly better than what they're normally used to getting for the price that they pay. That's what we like to do. So when selling on Amazon, if you wish to order 2 or 3 or 4 other people who sell a similar product, and then compare it to your product, that's about all you have to do. It's all about how you have to know to get a good idea. Now, if you want to go crazy and have a truly amazing, superior, one-of-a-kind, fancy product, you can do that, but it's not needed, and I really don't recommend that when you're first starting. Let's make money, and then if you wish to improve, you can, and then you could charge more money for what you sell. See, success on Amazon isn't the best product at the best price with the best design. That's impossible. That's a recipe for failure. There's no such thing that exists. The best product, the best price for the best design. You might get 2 of those, but you'll never get all 3. Here's the reality. When starting, here's what we aim for. Success is a pretty good quality at a decent price with adequate design and packaging. If you want to get crazier than this, Amazon's not the place to sell your products. You want to go to high-end boutique-ish stores and other fancy places. We're selling people who are looking to spend usually between $10 to $50 to satisfy a simple impulse or desire to get their hands on a simple product.